I think we are going to come back to you though. So I'm going to touch on the controls aspect that you brought up, which is really helpful because our last workshop was on controls, and there are very different degrees of controls that are even seen in just indoor facilities. So the controls granularity, the manual or the DLI matching really depends. So let's talk about how growers can feasibly lower demand without impacting productivity. I put in a slide that we had on our controls workshop last week, just as a great reminder of how in Massachusetts, by a different size of facility, you might see different varying degrees of control of different parameters in the rooms, as well as the integration of those controls. So like Nick was saying, in mixed light facilities, oftentimes they're using the basic room control option. They also don't have a sophisticated HVAC system, and it's usually not electrically powered. But if we're in indoor facilities, we're going to have control systems that really beget what demand reductions are possible, and also what systems they're controlling. And the scale of demand will be impacted by what's being controlled manually versus what's being controlled and automated.